And Marian here, your traveling coach. Ayan, traveling coach siya. So, I finished this book during our trip to Baguio, to Pangasinan, or Dagupan. The encouraging the heart workbook. So, akala mo it's about relationship, but it's a leadership book. So, one of the things that is leadership training. So, na-realize ko yung isang activity ko will help me to express or ano ba yan, testimony to one of what is written here, which is setting example. Kasi there are 7 essentials of encouraging the heart or leadership. So, first is set clear directions. Ano ba? Set clear standards, expect the best, pay attention, ano to? Personalized recognition, tell the story, celebrate together, set the example, or pwede dun sa celebrating personalized recognition. So, kasi we have this activity in our leadership seminar. We ask people to choose 3 people dun sa participants mo, and then you give them 3 things or 3 person and 3 positive things about that person. So, it's a very encouraging or motivational activity. Kasi ako nga, tinago ko pa yung mga the recognition that I received from my participants, my seminar participants. So, naisip ko lang ngayon, after reading this book, na choose 3 people inside the room, and then bibigyan ko pa sila ng 3 more sheets to bring it home, na i-recognize mo when you get home. Kasi it will really inspire you receiving this recognition from your co-employees and from your families. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next